Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install apps without going to the App Store or Play Store. So, install app or purchasing app from App Store or Play Store is the safest way. So the Play Store or App Store have a security guard or antivirus or like firewall to prevent malicious software. But you can install app from Chrome here, but with your own risk. Maybe there is a contain malware on your downloaded apps, but it's your own risk once more. So to enable install from Chrome, you can go to your settings and try to search the unknown source installation here. You can enable Chrome on your list here. Allow Chrome to install apps. Apps from external sources are not verified by my Android Oppo and may contain security risks. And you can click or tap allow. So you can download the app from other sources beside Play Store or App Store and install it through the Chrome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the button below. See you in the next video.